trees are alive. Metal teeth grind. Someone won't survive. Mission City whispers. The woods take their toll. Step inside if you dare. Lose your soul. Twisted by the grind, rust on the chainsaw, blood stained and lined. Cabin splinter floor slick with gore. Footprints vanish where the shadows roar. Eyes in the fog, flicker like fire. Hunger in the branches, a twisted desire. Trail markers carved with runes of dread. Every step you take, you walk with the dead. Screams echo off moss-covered bones. Forest whispers, you're never alone. Chainsaw hums like a heartbeat in hell. Follow the sound if you think you can tell. Mission City's chainsaw cries. Blood in the mud, flesh in the pines. The woodcut awaits where no one survives. Cutting through the fog, he comes alive. Metal teeth run and screams. Every shadow hides your dreams. Run if you can, pray if you must. Chainsaw woods devours the dust. Teenagers daring, midnights they roam. Never return, no one brings them home. Hooks on the trees, body swings slow. The forest remembers and wants you to know. RCMP quiet, they don't report. The horror's out here, the killings contort. Offerings left at the trailhead gate. Still he comes, he will not wait. Branches claw, roots grip your feet. Sawdust rage, blood-soaked sleet. Half human, half forest, a predator born. In Mission City woods, the lines all torn. Stop, listen, feel the bone snap. Cut, drag, he's always back. Mission City's chainsaw cries. Blood in the mud, flesh in the pines. The woodcut awaits where no one survives. Cutting through the fog, he comes alive. Metal teeth rot and screams. Every shadow hides your dreams. Run if you can, pray if you must. Chainsaw woods devours the dust. Fog swallows the screams. The trees remember. The chainsaw hums forever in December. Step inside if you dare. Lose your soul.